Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Tesla Cybertruck out of paper. First, gather your essential tools: sturdy cardstock, a precise ruler, and a sharp craft knife. You'll also need a cutting mat to protect your table. Next, print a detailed Cybertruck template, ideally scaled at 1:24, to ensure accurate proportions. This preparation is key for a successful build, so take your time to get everything ready before moving on to the next step. Now, let's move on to the cutting and scoring phase. Using your craft knife, carefully cut out each piece from your printed template. Remember, precision is paramount here, so take your time. Once cut, use the dull side of your craft knife or a dedicated scoring tool to lightly score all the designated fold lines. This creates crisp, clean folds, which are crucial for the Cybertruck's angular design. Accuracy in this step will greatly impact the final appearance. With all your pieces cut and scored, it's time to start folding and assembling the main body. Carefully fold along all the scored lines, bringing the paper into the Cybertruck's iconic angular shape. Apply a very thin, even layer of craft glue to the designated tabs. Press firmly and hold each joint for about 10 to 15 seconds to ensure a strong bond. Start with the largest body sections, then gradually attach the cabin and the truck bed, working systematically. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your paper Cybertruck. Carefully attach the smaller details such as the wheels, windows, and headlights, ensuring they are aligned correctly. For an extra touch of realism, you can use a fine-tip black marker to gently draw in subtle panel lines and other small accents. Once all the pieces are in place, set your Cybertruck aside and allow the glue to dry completely for at least 30 minutes. Congratulations, you've built your own paper Cybertruck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.